Hello everyone, how to do back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to get Nykaa beauty shopping app in your Android phone and iPhone. So you can see the rating of the app 3.8 out of 5 and 1 million reviews. It means 1 million people rate something about this app, and 20 megabyte size of the app, and 50 million plus people already downloaded this app. So you can see there is some exclusive discount. You will get exclusive discount in this application. Nykaa trendest online beauty app with 1 lakh plus beauty products and 200 plus brands. So many product is available here. If you really wanna get, or if you really wanna buy a product, a beauty app, a beauty product, then you can consider this application. So you can see this is shopping, beauty and ship shopping. So what you need to do, you need to tap on the install button. So it takes few moments to install your device. So friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today is no more, and thank you for watching.